guys, good morning, happy Sunday. I just thought I'd pop on real quick and show what I'm wearing to church today. Yes, I'm wearing jeans to church today. There was a whole evolution and reason why this happened, which I'll explain in a minute. But these are the Free People Jade high-rise jeans I got with my first Trunk Club unboxing. And then I've got the moto jacket that I purchased in my Evereve unboxing. I can link both of those down below. This is the beautiful blue opal top by Vince Camuto that I got in my Front Door Fashion unboxing. So I was wanting to wear this shirt and I was determined to, so I went through, oh my gosh, so many pairs of pants this morning. And then I've got on the studded booties from my my StitchFix. So, well, was that my third fix? My third fix. So this morning I had intended on wearing this shirt with the high-rise pants from the last video that went up. That was Wantable. And I put those pants on and I was like, and a couple people had mentioned in the comments that they thought maybe they were tight. Well, I got into the bright lights of the bathroom and looked at them and I realized they were really pulling. And I went out and said to my husband, you need to be brutally honest with me, because you know how it is when a woman says to a guy, does this make me look fat? And they're like, no. And I said, I really need you to be brutally honest with me because I have not purchased these yet. And he said, I don't think I would wear those to church. So I said, thank you for telling me the truth. So I took them off and they're sitting over there in the corner on top of the Trunk Club box and they're going back. I think I was so excited when I tried them on that there was actually a pair of dress pants that were not too big through the waist and long enough, and I loved the styling, and they were high-waisted. And I did have a little trouble zipping them up in the back. I figured that was because of the high waist. But when a couple people mentioned that about them being tight, and I didn't really see it in the video, but I saw it when I looked in the mirror. And the truth is, if I lost 10 pounds, those would probably fit great. I'm not going to lose 10 pounds this time of year. I'm going to be, real with myself. That's not happening right now. And I have enough pairs of dress pants that would look better if I lost 10 pounds. I tried 3 of them on this morning in addition to those. So I don't know when those dress pants are going to show up. The truth is, when you have a body like this is the body that apparently is in vogue right now. But what people don't understand is that even though this is what women want, well, not every woman, but a lot of them, manufacturers are not making clothes to fit this kind of body. Not when it comes to things that should not be tight. And I wish that they would. I wish they would pay attention to, we need to really nip in the waist here. Because women are actually having implants. They're actually having this installed. I've been trying to get rid of it my whole life. and they're having the bump out on the side. Why, ladies? Love yourself where you are. Clothes fit you now. Appreciate that. I have been through, since I was about 14 years old, a lifetime of frustration and crying in dressing rooms when I was younger, because I would bring back one of literally every style pants in the store to the dressing room with me, and it would not fit. And when you're younger and you're a kid and everybody's wearing the junior sizes, but you have a Mrs. size body, when you're trying to find something that looks young for you, I mean, the junior sizes definitely aren't going to fit a body with curves. They're made for straight up and down, teenagers who haven't fully developed yet. I fully developed when I was 14 years old. So this has been a lifetime of frustration for me. If I go through all the hard work of losing weight, and I know this because I've done that, and I've actually been very thin. I've leaned in for photo shoots and stuff like that back in my heavy bodybuilding days. And I've been too thin. I got down to just under 11% body fat. I still had the curves, but what happened was I was in about a size 4 or 6, and at 5'9", that's small, everything got shorter. So what happens is now my hips are finally more in line, still not completely, but more in line with my waist, so they fit better through here, but now I can't find the pants long enough. And I realize I sound like I'm whining, but my goodness, What manufacturers wake up? I have a daughter who's 6'1". She's 4 inches taller than me, and she was very thin. I think she was in a 0 or a 1, you know, very, very small sizes for a while there. Finding pants long enough, oh my word, they seem to think people who are, you know, a size 2 or 4 are 5'3". She was 6'1". And so they need to give more offerings of length, and they need to start building for the body that women think they want, because the clothes fitting thing is frustrating. And by the way, that's the whole reason why I've been trying to lose my butt my whole life is because of the way the clothes fit. I just want to be able to walk into a department store and try on clothes and have them fit. So that's my rant for the day. I apologize, but I'm in jeans for church because I wanted to wear this top and I couldn't make anything I had, including the clothing that was in my boxes fit. Now there was a skirt I got with my Wantable box, and you'll see my next unboxing that we're going to put up. No, sorry, there was a skirt with my trunk club. There's the video we're going to put up with the Wantable on Thursday. You'll see why I didn't decide to wear that skirt with this top. So there you go. That's a teaser for you. Okay, I'm gonna let everybody go. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. Watch me rant about clothing fitting, which is part of the reason why I'm doing the stylist boxes, and it's part of the reason why my wardrobe has big holes in it, to be quite frank. I am very grateful for the clothing I have been able to get. I'm really grateful for you guys, for listening to me, for watching me. I'm still surprised to this day that there are people who are interested in what I have to say about these clothes. And I am really, really grateful for you. If you think to do it, would you please like this video, comment below. If you haven't subscribed, I would just love to welcome you to the Finding My Fashion family, because boy, am I working hard on finding it. And I'll talk to everybody. Bye-bye, and be blessed.